Letter V, vibrant veil and valance flips. Make a veil flip and a valance for your journal using fabric, lace, or sheer. Stay tuned. Hi everybody, it's Julie. I'm here today with the letter V. Our letter V is vibrant veil and valance flips. You need to make 2 of them. Make a veil flip and a valance for your journal using fabric, lace, or sheer. So we are going to start with this piece of lace, and we're going to make a flip using this lace, and we need to make it vibrant, so bright. And so I have pulled out an assortment of Sharpies, and I didn't pull out a green, but I have my other green. And I'm going to start by adding some color to some pansies. Okay, so since I'm doing pansies in this journal, so I'm just adding some yellow color to, we'll start with those. Okay, then we'll add some of this light blue, and we'll add it in this one. Okay, so it'll have some light blue down here. And a little bit up there. And we'll go with the dark blue. So I'm going to start from the outside and go in so that the darker kind of shading, and this is going to be kind of elusive. I mean, it's going to, okay, so I'm going to go all the way around my outside. Now on these 2 that I put a little bit of the blue on the outside. Those I can go ahead and go from the inside up because I want them to be more blue. And this one I can come back and do a second set. Okay, and then we do have our black. So kind of impressionistic pansies, I guess. This is a leaf. So we're gonna go ahead and color that in as a leaf. We'll give this one be a stem and a leaf. Might have been part of a flower, but we'll make it a leaf. These are, oh, those are the little flower. Oh well. Okay. Let's see, these are big leaves right here. That's a big leaf. Might be better to go grab the leaves first. So I'm just going to go ahead and color this in. And I started out, I was going to do it with the distressing ink. And it wasn't vibrant enough. It didn't look vibrant. Okay, so this is a leaf. I'm going to just go around and figure out what is a leaf. I'm going to pretend that this is a leaf. I'm the boss, right? Okay. Same with up here, that's going to be a leaf. There we go. Okay. Leaves. Leaf. Leaf. Even though it's a little flower, I'm turning it into a leaf coming off of this pansy. It's kind of fun because you can, I mean, it's going to be an unexpected. Okay. Go over here and just turn this into a leaf. You can see where you start, you're going to get darker color. So that gives me a whole bunch of leaves. And then we'll go about making the rest of them look like pansies. So I think we'll come over here and let's see. I'll have this one similar to what we've got going on up there. Okay, and this one here. Okay, so some yellow. Yellow in the centers of these blue ones. And these ones get a whole bunch of yellow. Give them yellow in the center too. Okay, and then okay, and then purple. Okay, so on the yellow, the purple comes down from the center, just a little bit on the outside. Down from the center, down from the center, little on the outside. Okay, center, outside. Okay, and okay, now from the outside, So if you have lace that's roses or some other flower, you can go, I mean, you can try this. I thought that it would be fun to try this. This was actually a shirt, and I bought it to tear it up, and I actually tried it on and I liked it, and I wore it a few times, and then I spilled on it. Okay. Oh, this one didn't get it. So we'll just speed up my coloring for right now. And by the magic and mistake of television, we have already glued our flip here onto the map page. I'll probably put some note paper underneath it, but you can see that it's all colored in, and I love it. So our next little thing, we're going to make a valance, and we are going to use this fabric that we have. This is from Amore Fabriques from Selena. We want to make this vibrant, so we're going to add some blue dots to these, look like forget-me-nots. Okay, and then we're going to add some yellow. And let's see, we'll put some yellow here and around this big flower. So you can alter your fabric. Okay, I think we're good. Just about here. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and cut our fabric. I'll probably come back and color all of this and use it in various places in the journal. We'll go ahead and cut. Okay, so when I'm going to make a valance, is basically a ruffle is what we're going to make here. And so I like to do fabric to paper, and then I can do paper to paper in the journal. So I'll make my element or embellishment and then add it into the journal. We're going to go ahead and use fabric tack for this. I'm going to put it across the top right here. We're going to just do a line across. Okay, and then we're going to come back and we're going to ruffle that. That's way more than what we need, but okay, so we're going to set it down, and we're going to usually my paper's longer. Okay, so then I'm going to pull it back and get myself some ruffle here. Pull it, pull it, pull it. So just like that, and that's going to give me a sweet little ruffle that I can add to my journal. And I've put it on paper, so we're going to let it dry. Okay. And if you need to, you can put a little bit of glue underneath the pleats or the ruffles. Okay, then we can come in and cut that off. And there's our Valance. So our vibrant Valance. So you see we took it, and instead of just using it as it is here, we added the color and made it more vibrant. V. Vibrant. And let's go ahead and we already have one placed in our journal here on the Dutch door page. I love the way it looks over the Dutch door. And now we have another one because I messed up, so we get to have two. This is our gallery, yearbook gallery page. And let's see, ooh. Where'd it go? There it is. Okay. I think we'll go ahead and add it here. And we can use regular glue on it this time. That will just finish off the top of that page. We'll put it on. It's going to be paper to paper, so it will have no problem gluing on to there. And with that, we have our Valance and our lace. There we go. And our vibrant veil flip. So this is a vibrant veil flip, and this is a Valance, and that is our letter V. The details for the A to Z Junk Journal Challenge are in the description box down below. Bye-bye. I hope you enjoyed this. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye. Bye-bye.